In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Finviz Screener for swing trading. We're building a reliable filter that quickly surfaces liquid stocks with healthy momentum, so you can spend more time evaluating setups and less time digging through noise. Start by heading to finviz.com, log in, and click the Screener option in the top menu. You'll see three main tabs across the top of the screener: descriptive, fundamental, and technical. We'll move through them in that order so our list gets progressively more focused. In the Descriptive tab, set the exchange filter to include NASDAQ and NYSE. This keeps you on the primary U.S. exchanges, where liquidity and reporting standards are stronger. Next, set average volume to greater than 500,000. Liquidity is critical for swing trading because it helps you enter and exit positions with tighter spreads and less slippage. If you want to avoid ultra-low-priced names, you can optionally set price to greater than $5. This tends to remove many thin or highly volatile penny stocks and keeps the list more tradable. Switch over to the Fundamental tab. If you like combining momentum with growth, optionally set sales growth quarter over quarter to greater than 20%. While not required, this can tilt your results toward companies with improving fundamentals, which often supports continued price strength. Now move to the Technical tab, where we'll define the trend. Set price above 20-day SMA to Yes. Do the same for price above 50-day SMA and price above 200-day SMA. Together, these confirm that price is trending above short, intermediate, and long-term moving averages, a simple way to align with an uptrend rather than fighting it. If you prefer to see recent strength, you can optionally set performance for the past week or month to up. Choose the time frame that matches your swing horizon. Another optional enhancer is relative volume greater than 1.2, which highlights stocks trading with above-average interest, often a sign of fresh catalysts or growing participation. With these settings, you should have a focused list of liquid, uptrending candidates that fit a swing approach. If your results feel too tight, relax one or two optional filters. If they're too broad, raise the thresholds slightly. Remember, this screener is a starting point, not a prediction engine. Use it to narrow the field, then evaluate each chart for clean structure, logical risk levels, and alignment with your plan. Consistency in your filters leads to consistency in your watch list, and that's where better swing decisions begin.